बोल गए यार?
Are you considering yourself as poor?
I'm a human, so I have humanity.
Exchange करते ही नहीं है तो fabric और quality हर चीज try करके लेंगे.
You, a person who is in front of you, you can clear your all point because the product, even the person is presenting in front of you. But if I talk about online, person is sitting behind you and even he is playing the psychological thing, the advertisement, lot of things are going on. In this way you are purchasing anything and he is hiding lot of things behind the screen. Like if I talk about the quality of the things, sometimes we see something and deliver something. It happens.
And we have experienced also.
Yeah, we have experienced this shirt we are wearing, you know, sir,
Okay.
sir got the fraud through the online.
We
This-
have purchased
Yeah.
from an offline mode.
mean sir purchased this online and he got different thing, understand? This is the cheap quality
You can see
t-shirt.
the logo of
Yeah.
this. It is gonna be removed.
Yeah.
Because now there is no.
Because he purchased through the online.
Not online. We have purchased from.
Sir, you are
He is
saying that
saying-
you have purchased it offline.
I'm not. He has purchased.
Okay, your purchase is from offline, so you can see that what's the quality of
I am saying we all have purchased, sir purchased these t-shirt through the online.
The quality.
online.
Yeah,
Sir, did you purchase it from offline or online?
Both.
Online.
Some of the things I did from online mode and some of I have checked the quality from offline mode. It's 50.
Yeah,
Because
you
he
can
gave
see
me-
the quality.
Because I am just balancing the atmosphere.
because I was given this. It is
Yeah.
because sir, this is the part.
Because we have did a payment online mode.
Yeah.
That's the problem. They are not refunding us the
Didi.
amount.
That is the thing.
They are saying they buy very good quality
Yeah.
clothes.
Sir said to me, you will have to come after wearing this. This is my compulsion. I am.
Sir said if you want you can. If you don't,
Yeah.
But my concern is not that thing. My concern is that why did they give the different product if we chose the different thing? Why did they
because
give
you have purchased from the offline mode, na? That's
No,
why. That's why you have not
Online.
Actually,
Online.
actually,
He was sitting when I was doing online. You can say like
Yeah.
he was
we
paying
were
the
there.
online, but he have purchased from offline mode. He can also the pay amount from offline mode.
The thing is that
he has
if you
the
are
option.
purchasing
He had
anything of the online, you can check the quality. But if you are calling someone, you cannot check the
Actually, you
quality.
should
and person
listen.
can
We have
send you the different product.
purchased. We have purchased these t-shirts from offline mode, not online mode.
But when we were purchasing, we were not touching. What is this? This is called the
This
offline
is your
version. You
fault because you are purchasing from offline mode and you are not going to check that all the things.
Means
But
I am
if you
saying-
if you will purchase
Yeah.
from the verified
okay,
sites.
from Piyush side, I wanna say one thing. Online shopping is just like you are just seeing a girl with a Snapchat pic
with filter.
with filter on his WhatsApp.
Okay, sir.
Okay, but finally when we are going to see that person, something
It looks like Aadhaar card photos.
then it looks like a
Aadhaar card photos.
So this is the online shopping is just like a
Yeah.
making fool everybody.
Sir, we have a option like open box delivery, return policy,
No, just come to this
verified.
point.
Why would I waste time in this thing?
Verified website we have. So why are you buying it from local website? You have to, you have to buy it from a
Now
verified website.
Let's come to the new faces because every time the same faces are coming. Abhimanyu, let's give them another
Yeah.
chance. No, they have already come.
You wanna
Now-
say something?
Now from this side. Now from
Because you are saying the I'm checking more websites to check the price. That's why.
I will waste my time.
only 2 words.
You give
I
them.
don't have my. Harsh bhai, now is the time of Harsh bhai.
Yes.
Harsh bhai, Harsh bhai.
Okay, I want to say
And
something.
now I-
Sir, are you saying that online many editors are available, but sometimes they take the charges and they didn't get back editing video, you know, sir?
You have a lot of variety to go over there. You have a lot.
Why will I waste my time?
Yeah, sir. Why I'm wasting my time? I know this. Like he is my friend. He is doing very well at it.
Online shopping. We are not talking about the online platform. We are talking about the online shopping.
Okay,
We are taking
but this is also part of online thing.
Okay, so the GD is over, guys. Now I'm just gonna take a feedback. Okay. Okay. Now media cover me. Cover me. अरे मुझे cover करो यार. Okay. So now I'm just switching the topic from English to Hindi. Okay. So how is your experience? आपका experience कैसा है? Offline best है या फिर online best है?
online best है.
Online. How can you say that online is the best?
सर क्योंकि हम लोग को सर क्राउडेड प्लेस अवॉइड करते हैं हम, और हम टाइम अपना बचा रहे हैं फ़ोन में। हमें जो भी चीज़ पसंद है एक बार माइंड सेट कर लिया हमने कि हमें यही चीज़ लेनी है, तो वी आर जस्ट सीइंग कि हमें ये चीज़ चाहिए, तो हमने ऑर्डर कर दी। और हमारे पास ऑप्शन भी है कि हम चेक कर सकते हैं कि यार ये चाहिए वो चाहिए। और क्वालिटी की बात रही, जहाँ तक जब वो आ जाता है प्रोडक्ट तो हम चेक करके रिटर्न भी कर सकते हैं।
Yeah, definitely we have a 7 days replacement policy.
एंड इफ़ यू डोंट लाइक द प्रोडक्ट देन refund is also come.
Yes, go.
Then refund is also come if you don't like product.
And the next thing is that, yeah, we have another girl. What's your good name?
My name is Anamika Shukla.
Anamika. So Anamika, have you ever felt any bad experience in offline mode? Like somebody has shown you something and gave you something?
Sir, offline.
Offline. No, do you like to do offline or online?
Offline.
Both.
Both.
Okay. So any experience that you want to share with us?
सर ऑफलाइन में टाइम वेस्ट नहीं कर सकते हैं। हमको अगर आज चाहिए तो हम लोग लेके और उसको
Instant we can go and we can buy it.
सर फैब्रिक भी चेक कर सकते हैं, क्वालिटी भी चेक कर सकते हैं और तुरंत लेके पहन भी सकते हैं। और ऑनलाइन शॉपिंग में क्या होता है कि हम लोग ले रहे हैं फिर उसको चेंज क्वालिटी अच्छी नहीं है या कुछ भी डिफेक्टिव निकल रहा है
And
तो
sometimes the
उसको
product is, if it is costly, then the company ask you to go
Sir,
and call to the
costly, sir.
toll free number, and after that they will ask you to go and talk with the, they will just mislead you, and even they will not refund your amount.
Yes, sir.
Okay,
sir,
so it is also drawback.
सर ऑनलाइन में सर रिफंड सर जो कॉस्टली होता है मतलब जितने का भी 4000 का या कितने का भी सर रेट टू रेट, और ऑफलाइन में हम लोग कम ज़्यादा भी कर सकते हैं।
And we can do bargaining as well as we can give the amount to that person after some time also. If you have a good relation with them, we can give that amount after 1 month or 2 months. Like most of the jewelry shop, whenever there is a wedding ceremony is going in our home, at the same time we can give that amount, like 1 lakh, 2 lakh, 3 lakh. If you are having a good relations with that person, they can give, we can only give 1 lakh, but if you are purchasing 10 lakh or 20 lakh, we can give it after 5 days or 10 days.
If you have good credibility, you can take it from online.
No, nobody is giving on online. Sorry. Okay, what's your good name?
प्राची।
आपका एक्सपीरियंस कैसा है? ऑनलाइन का एक्सपीरियंस अच्छा है या ऑफलाइन का एक्सपीरियंस अच्छा है? आप किसको प्रेफर करेंगे अगर आप
Online.
शॉपिंग करने के लिए? Give me 1 second, sir.
ऑनलाइन को प्रेफर
ऑनलाइन को प्रेफर करेंगे। क्या बेनिफिट्स हैं? What are the benefits of it?
ऑनलाइन टाइम कंजप्शन ज़्यादा नहीं करती, कम करती है इन कंपैरिजन टू ऑफलाइन को।
Very good.
एंड शॉपकीपर समटाइम्स शॉपकीपर चेंज अवर माइंडसेट, हम कुछ और सोच के जाते हैं वो हमारा माइंडसेट चेंज कर देता है। अरे मैम आपके
The shopkeeper change mindset की दीदी जी आप पर ये बहुत अच्छा लग रहा है, बहुत जच रहा है, ये वाला ले लो।
हाँ
And heroine लग रही है, heroine that he's saying. I mean to say in this way they can switch our mind. And
और in a shop light so much lights and we can choose
yeah, at shop there is it's too much light and that glitter we can
जो हमारे कपड़े होते हैं उसका कलर कुछ और होता है, जब हम लाते हैं उसका कलर फेड
और पहनते तो कुछ और दिखते हैं। ओके
गलत होता है। ये सब ऑनलाइन शॉपिंग में होता है, ऑफलाइन शॉपिंग में नहीं होता है, कभी नहीं होता है ऑनलाइन शॉपिंग में। ऑनलाइन शॉपिंग में जो है रिव्यू भी ऑनलाइन में हम लोग ट्राई करके लेके आते हैं, ट्राई करके लेते हैं, एक्सचेंज करते ही नहीं है क्योंकि हम लोग फैब्रिक और क्वालिटी हर चीज ट्राई करके लेके आते हैं। चेंजिंग रूम हर जगह अवेलेबल है।
Change the color. It is not a Girgit skin fabric who will change the color. Understand?
It's all about the lights and all.
It means the senses are not.
It means first of all trust on yourself. What am I looking?
And we buy online, we buy Henley t-shirt, they give sleeveless t-shirt. What is this?
Once you wash your clothes, shopkeeper doesn't change your clothes, and ऑनलाइन में आप क्लॉथ्स वॉश भी कर लेते हो तो
If you are purchasing branded clothes,
we have this facility in online mode.
Online
No.
mode.
We can wash it and after that we can replace it.
no, this is not.
करके देख लो भाई।
He is not aware about it.
सर एक मिनट,
Yeah.
मार्केट में
Aware about it.
सर मार्केट में माइंड सेट कर सकते हैं, मॉल में थोड़ी ना कर देंगे।
Yeah, and even they will not get you.
पॉइंट मॉल में तो जो तुमको चाहिए वही लोगे ना जाके। तो मॉल में भी तो मॉल में कौन सा माइंडसेट करता है
Yeah,
बताइए?
exactly.
कौन कहता है कि तुम ये लो?
they don't change. They don't change.
विशाल मेगा मार्ट हर फ्लोर फुल ऑफ कैंडीज फुल ऑफ टॉफीज नहीं नो कैन आई बाय दिस प्लीज
So why are you going local malls? You can go Zudio, V-Mart, Vishal Mart.
I am talking about Vishal Mega Mart. It's not local.
They're not forcing you.
So why is
First
your
thing is
mind
that.
is not in your control? Why you are alluring those things?
Yeah.
First you need
Exactly.
I'm talking about
Abhimanyu,
offline.
first you need meditation. How to control our mind.
After finishing after the finishing the GD, I will teach you how to control the
Okay,
mind.
teach me. Now teach me, okay.
After
Teach me.
finishing the DD,
Teach me, first teach me. No. You said teach me.
Go
You
over
teach
there
me.
and sit
No.
silently. Then I will
Teach me.
let you
have
know.
to teach me.
Listen,
Yeah.
Abhimanyu, what
Firstly,
First
Teach
stage is
me.
that keep shut your mouth. This is the
So
first
why
step.
are you not shutting? You have
Because I'm teaching you. Because I'm teaching you. Because I'm teaching you.
Shut our mouth.
Yeah, because you are not ready to shut your mouth.
Okay, I am not shutting your mouth. You are also not. 1, 2, 3, I'm speaking.
Because I'm teaching. I'm teaching
Teach
you.
me. Okay, teach.
This time we are our.
Sit
Okay.
silently till 2 hours, then you will
What
get the
is this?
answer.
What is this?
And just inhaling and
And inhaling and exhaling.
Okay.
Our
you have
ancestors,
gone-
our
okay, tell me
ancestors
one
have been doing this for a long time, and they are getting the result, and they are getting the
Why are you
famous.
changing a topic? We have to. I was saying if you have gone to Judy also.
Okay.
In a Judy, there, Mr. DIY, 99. I think the 99 market.
Yeah.
Okay. Didn't they go to Mr. DIY?
Why
You
will
know,
I?
if you are going to buy clothes, yeah. Mama, please.
Why will I go in those areas?
Definitely.
Mama, please, can I? Mama, please, it is so cute. Mama, I don't have this. Mama,
Why will I?
please.
Why will I go over there? I will go in a local shops. I will purchase
You
it.
have now said that why you are talking about local malls. He has just
But
said
then who
when
is
I am
doing
talking
this
about
type of
the
movement?
Yeah,
verified
nobody
malls, he is
does this.
changing topic. He is changing topic. No, I want to listen. I don't want to listen.
But listen, I want to ask you
what
something.
about poor people? They
Are you poor? Are you considering yourself as
but
poor?
I'm a human, so I have humanity. So that's why I'm concerned about poor people.
She is considering herself
They
as
only
poor, no?
purchase
Why
they only
she's not
purchase in
going?
street market.
Poor vendor.
Why are you going personal?
Don't take it personal.
Yeah,
I'm not
she's
taking-
going. Ma'am, what did you ask? I didn't listen.
So why are you going person, mama? Who's doing this type of movement in mall?
Kids does.
Yeah.
Only it's like you. Yeah. No,
Okay, then.
he's not doing this type of movement. It's like
Have you seen him? Have you? Okay. Say that he is not. He is in.
are you doing this type of movement, mama? Please. Bro,
We can
he's
ask
going
ma'am.
offline market or not?
We can ask the ma'am. She has also child. Ma'am. Tell me one thing. Have your children? Did your children do when you go to mall like mama please want mama please? What
But
is this?
you will handle them. You will handle them.
What is this?
But ma'am, you
Now
know how
they're
to
not
control
wasting
them.
money. Not wasting time.
That is rude. So you return something. Shopkeeper is not returned. What are you doing?
We have a rights. We have right before purchasing anything. We can ask. We can return it or not. They will say yes. Then I will return. And he is saying I will not return. Then why will I purchase from that place? Why will I purchase from that place if person is saying I will not
If you
return?
want it instantly, you can use Blinkit, Zepto, Instamart. If you want
Mean
it
I will go through
instantly,
that shop who is agreed
10
to
minutes
return.
only.
10 minutes only.
Yeah. Give me your phone, I will do. Give me your phone, I will do Blinkit. We can see.
So
Give me your phone. Give me your phone.
Listen to me. Listen to me. Listen to me. If you are listen to me.
Every day he is telling, "Mummy, juice पिला दो गन्ने का."
He is opening secret now, right?
That's not.
You know what? If you have the crab, you are having craving like okay, I want to eat some samosa kinds. Then you will take in online. So you
I will
don't
tell
have.
my mother to make.
You cannot take taste.
Mother also
Right
take
from
one-
online.
Mother cannot make your clothes. Understand? If you are alluring for
So
something,
we
you will
can
purchase.
use Amazon.
Means I am.
Blinkit we can use. We can just order. We can have it.
Yeah, we can. I Zomato, Swiggy.
yeah,
We can use Zomato, Swiggy.
In this way,
I think so. They are not aware. Now also
Listen to me. We are not aware. Abhi, we are not aware if we go outside, but you are aware in only room, right?
You are saying that we are intelligent. We are aware even in the
Look,
The thing is that algorithm are working behind the screen.
bro, if you don't have any point, don't go on algorithm.
Because
It's only on reel, not anywhere.
because this is the system behind of this which is working. Those are making you fool and you are in the illusion. I am not in the trap.
I think the shopkeepers are not making you fool. If a price tag is of
No, they are the people.
they are the most honest people. They are the most honest people.
Yeah,
The
I know,
cost
I
of a
know.
t-shirt is 500, but shopkeeper
know. How
shopkeeper
can I
tell you
do that?
1000. But when you bargain, it gives you 800. You are a